Hello everyone, this is Kacise China. Today, I would like to introduce a dissolved oxygen sensor, the KWS 600. It adopts a new generation fluorescent dissolved oxygen measurement technology and uses self-developed high-performance fluorescent materials. It does not consume oxygen, has no flow rate limitation, requires no electrolyte. It uses an RS485 interface with the Modbus RTU protocol. The sensor is factory calibrated and can be installed and used directly, and is not affected by hydrogen sulfide, providing excellent accuracy and long-term stability. This sensor is suitable for applications such as aquaculture, wastewater treatment, and water quality monitoring. The product specification table is provided below for your reference. Installation and wiring. Next, let's briefly go over the installation and wiring. There is a mounting thread on the top of the sensor with a G3/4 specification. It supports threaded installation or clamp installation. Before installation, please remove the rubber protective cap. Do not bump or damage the sensor probe during use. For wiring, a 4-core shielded twisted pair cable is used. Red to 12 to 24 VDC, black to GND, green to RS485A, white to RS485B. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed, especially when used underwater or in corrosive environments. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands? I will demonstrate how to use Modbus to read measurement values. The default communication settings of the KWS 600 sensor are: the default communication parameters are a baud rate of 9600, 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity. The default Modbus address is 001, and the broadcast address is 0xFF. If we do not know the current sensor address, we can first access it using the broadcast address. Send the command FF03 with the register address 0x300 and a read quantity of 0001. After clicking send, the return data is 010001. The return 01 is the sensor address, indicating that the current sensor address is 01. Next, we read the sensor measurement values by sending the command 010-326-000006. which reads 6 registers starting from 0x2600. After sending the command, the sensor returns a set of data. In this data, 007D8341 represents the temperature value. 5, 4, F, 5, 5, 3, F represents the dissolved oxygen saturation percentage. And 4ABD241 represents the dissolved oxygen concentration. All of these values are floating point numbers in DC/BA format, so they need to be converted. For the temperature value, 007D8341 is reversed to 41837D00. Enter 41837D00 here. Then click Convert, which converts to 16.4 degrees Celsius using a floating point conversion tool. For the dissolved oxygen saturation percentage, 544F8, 53F is reversed to 3F8, 54F54. And the converted value is 1.04. 4. ABD 224, 1 is reversed to 4122BD. 4. The converted result shows the dissolved oxygen content as 10.17 milligrams L. At this point, the usage and data reading demonstration of the KWS 600 online dissolved oxygen sensor is complete. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.